Folks, get wife number one on dual trouble, dual grilling duty here. Folks, she's putting the shrimp over the charcoal, but it took forever for the charcoal to light, so we had to bust out the Mac Daddy, the Weber electric. So we got that bad boy plugged in. So folks, take a look at them shrimp. We got a feast going on, I'm telling you right now. And folks, I got Force G in my lap here, in my arms, what have you. We got some chicken breast marinating in barbecue sauce. Chopped up some onions. Got a big old thing of vegetables going on there, and even got some corn in that bag. We are cooking up a feast. A feast of feasts, my friends. And wife number one, because I'm such a good king, I brought her some chicken feet. So she gonna barbecue them chicken feet too. What you think, baby? You gonna eat them chicken feet?
Yeah.
You already marinated them? Ain't no soy sauce and magic syrup, baby. We in Thailand. So them chicken feet gonna be the best tasting you've ever tasted in your entire life. That Weber's a nice grill. You know, if you don't have a lot of time to make charcoal, and that charcoal right there was stubborn today. But if you don't have a lot of time, or you live in a condo where you can't cook with an open flame, this Weber is a badass piece of equipment. Those grates on there are so heavy duty and so heavy. I mean, this thing's built like a tank. Shout out to the J-Dog for contributing that to the kingdom. The wife number one. Whoa, she got the chicken feet in there, folks. Oh my goodness. And this little grill we bought this here in Thailand, and it's a good quality grill, but it's just got a little flaw to it. They made the grates too wide, so her shrimp keeps falling through there. But other than that, excellent quality on that little unit. But she's gonna put them chicken feet over in the charcoal. She put my chicken on the electric one, but they all gonna taste delicious, my friends. And folks, you know, Fatima is looking so beautiful today. I love those little white shorts she has, but they're like on the lash threads. I mean, they look sexy, but she can't wear them nowhere. You know, find her a new pair. Them things are awesome.
Your mom bought it.
Yeah, those things came from the U.S. Courtesy of moms. It did take them shrimp about 3-4 minutes, folks. That little charcoal grill gets hot. She's got a lot of charcoal down the bottom of that thing. And Fatima is rocking on with that grill. Baby, how many chicken feet you gonna eat?
I don't know. I cooked that up.
Why Filipinos love chicken feet?
I don't know. Delicious.
Yeah, they're good tasting.
What's the problem with that?
There ain't no problem. I'm just asking you. A lot of people love chicken feet. I might nibble on one today myself. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she really got it going now. Them chicken feet is on fire. Skabada! What you dabbing on there, baby?
Oh.
A little bit of oil. What you got in that oil?
I did the sauce.
Just a little sauce and a little oil. There you go, folks. There's a finished product. Man, even them chicken feet's looking delicious. It's time to chow down.